A'udzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Urdu Master. Today we are learning about names of days and months. It is a short lesson, but it is very informative, so must watch. First, let me clear one thing. You can see that transliteration, we don't use it for names of days and months. I am just writing it for your understanding. It will help you to understand. When we are writing, we just write it in Urdu, or we use actual English names. Look at these examples. दिसंबर साल का आखिरी महीना है. December is last month of the year. जनवरी साल का पहला महीना है. January is first month of year. So let's proceed with our lesson. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now days of the week. Monday. Monday has two names, Peer and Somwar. Tuesday. Tuesday is Mangdal. Wednesday is Budh. Thursday is Jumerat. Friday is Juma or Jumatul Mubarak. Saturday also has two names. One is more common and one is less used. Hafta. Hafta is more common. And Sanichar. Sanichar is not really used, but it is the name of Saturday. And now last day of the week, Sunday. Sunday is Itwar. To show your support, subscribe to our channel and like, comment and share our videos. If you have any suggestions about any topics or if you have any questions, place them in comment box. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.